don't know about you, but I'm always on the lookout for some useful products for my home, as well as some cool organizational products to help keep my house clean. So I found some amazing products and I wanted to share them with you guys. If you don't know me, my name is Angel and I share everything lifestyle, so be sure to click that subscribe button. So let's get started. The first product I want to share with you is this, and I found this at Home Depot. I'll see if I can leave a link for you below. So this is a toilet caddy. It can hold a roll of tissue right here. You can see that bar right there, as well as right here. And you can also see that on the picture, I believe. But the cool thing is, you see this up here? Guess what this is for? Okay, so this is actually for your smartphone. What? And it's padded. So let's see. Look at this. You see? Look at there. Like, that is so cool. So you can actually be in the bathroom, which we all go to the bathroom for quite a minute sometimes, and you can actually you can put your phone here. Like, I know a lot of people have the little pops on the back, so you can actually set your phone up on this and watch TV while you do your business. What? I love this. I mean, because we spend so much time in the bathroom and we all have our phones, so you don't have to sit there and hold it. You can watch YouTube videos like this one. Or you can just, scroll, but you don't have to worry about holding your phone. So I thought this was really useful for tissue as well as entertaining. Since we're talking about bathrooms, I also found these. Okay, so these, of course, if you don't know, are toilet brushes. You see that? It's a brush in here. And what I love about it is that, it's stainless steel. So not only is it cute, and you can put this in your bathroom without looking like overly conspicuous and making your bathroom look cluttered and, have that old toilet brush sitting in the corner of the bathroom. Well, you can actually be cute. And these, they're different. This one has, you can see little lines in it and it's textured. But I think both are totally cute. So look around, keep an eye out for these, because this is great to add to your bathroom. It's definitely, cute organization. It doesn't make your bathroom look cluttered, looks nice and clean, and this just adds a little element to your bathroom. So if you can find these, grab you some for your bathrooms, okay? I also picked up this it's a pad. It's 2 pads in here. This one is a daily plan pad, and it has to do, today's goals, important times. This is so great to stay organized. Like, that's why I said it's a useful product, because staying organized is super hard, and whatever you can find to help you do that, I think it's definitely worth the investment. And then there's another pad that's also a weekly plan, and you can put your weekly goals, your calls, your emails, your events. So this came with 2 pads. I picked this up from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and if you can find one, look out for these. These are almost the greatest thing in your life. I did do a DIY planner organization video, which I still use that as well. If you're more the DIYer, go check that video out. This is great for those who don't have the time to sit down and create a calendar or a planner. Pick you up some of these notepads to stay organized. Another item that I picked up that it's going to be very useful to me is this. And this is a drying mat, okay? For me, I am going to use it not technically as a drying mat. I'm going to use this for my pet's mat. So I'm going to put it under their water fountain, what they drink their water out of. This is going to go under there because my big dog, she splashes water everywhere, and there's always drips around it, and so because this is a drying mat and it's meant to dry water, and it's also machine washable, which is a huge plus. What I have now down, it's, oh my god, I hate it. Like, it's disgusting. It's like a plastic mat or something. It's supposed to be a dog water mat, but I hate it. It leaves all kind of molding, and it soaks in the water and it doesn't dry. I hate it. So I am going to try this and make this a drying mat for my pets. Speaking of pets, I also found these. What? So these are let me tell you, they are storage bins for dry dog food. But I'm gonna tell you what makes this big one so cool. Can you see it? See that? Those are wheels. So I loved wheel bins in my pantry. Like, anything with wheels on it is a plus for me because dog food is heavy, especially the big one. And so not only is it white, so you don't, see the inside of it, you can take the sign off and people will never know what's inside of it. I didn't want the clear. I wanted something that will look nice and clean and not show anything that would just blend in with my pantry. And this was perfect because it's white, you can't see through it, and it's closable, and it has wheels, which, hold on. But I thought that was amazing. It's definitely cool, definitely useful. And this came from Ross, and the big one was $13.99, and the small one here was $5.99 because I have a small dog and a big dog. So I got one for each one of them because they eat different foods. So you've probably seen these before. If you have not, you should definitely grab you some of these. I think these are so cute and so useful because like you can throw your necklaces on here. I'm the type of person, I have to see what I have, especially certain things like jewelry, especially. Like if I don't see it, I'm not gonna wear it. Like now I have no jewelry on. So for me to visually see it, walk into my closet and I can see it, or wherever it's at, and see my jewelry out, that is so useful to me. So, I don't know how your kitchen is designed, but my kitchen does not have a towel rack, and we don't have anywhere to store our towels in our kitchen sink. So the brilliant me found this product right here, which is a towel rack. This is from the bathroom section of Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is in nickel to match my faucet because my faucet is also in nickel. These two are both options for towel racks. They have the ring ones and they have the straight ones. Both of them are totally cute, but this is going to serve as my towel rack. So it's not only gonna blend with my kitchen, but it's nice and clean, and I can just put my white towel on here and it'll look nice and organized. And this is gonna be so useful to me. So another amazingly useful thing that I found was this. Okay, so this was also in the bath section at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's for your soap. I'm not using it in the bathroom, however, because this is gonna be for my kitchen. Why? Because my kitchen, again, has no area for holding items. So, and I want to keep it clean. I don't want to put items on it. I want to keep it nice and clean. So, but I needed something for hand soap because we have people coming through all day washing their hands. We have 2 dogs. So we definitely needed to have soap out instead of under the sink, because who wants to keep reaching under there or want guests to reach under there to grab some soap when they need to wash their hands? So I wanted something that could sit on top of the counter, but also be nice and clean and not stand out too much, and that could blend in and make my kitchen still look very appeasing. So I found this, and I got it because it's clear, and my hand soap that I use is usually white or clear as well, and everything is nickel in my kitchen, like all the faucets and the hardware. So I got a nickel top to blend right into the kitchen. And so this is gonna be very unnoticeable, but it'll blend in and be nice and clean and add a little bit of sparkle. These I think are just so cute. What are these? These are toilet paper holders. What makes these so cute and so useful is because unlike your regular cushion toilet paper holder, you gotta push it in and you gotta play with it and struggle with it to take it out, and then put the tissue on there and then struggle with it to put it back in the holder. This is so different. This is literally just a lift, put the tissue on there and push it right back out. Simple. It's simple. Like, I was like, what? So glad about that. I got these from Home Depot. It will make your life a little bit easier. It will save you a good 30 seconds. Because I know with me, like especially the older it is, the harder it is to squeeze and push it back in there. This is just a lift, throw it on, push back. Oh my God, so easy, so easy. All of 2 seconds, if that. Okay, so the last item that I'm gonna share with you is this. Oh my God. So if you have tall cabinets in your kitchen, you need one of these. I didn't realize that until now. Do you see my tall kitchen cabinets? Okay, I can only reach literally the first 1 or 2 shelves in the cabinet. Everything above there, which is like 3, 4 more shelves, I can't reach. So instead of having to always either ask my husband to do it or to go grab my step ladder that's usually in the garage, I decided to pick up this useful bad boy, which is a step stool. 2-step, you know, and I can keep this in the kitchen. I literally can put it under one of my kitchen cabinets, and so when I need it, it's very easily accessible. And when I need something off my higher kitchen cabinets, this thing is gonna be my best friend. That's it for today's useful and cool organizational products. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the tour of my house, be sure to click that video. Here I have tons of home hauls, so be sure to check those videos out, and I'll see you guys in those videos.